Sometimes on Facebook, you may have added your date of birth or your birthday. Sometimes it will be visible to everyone, and sometimes it will not be visible to anyone. So if you want only your friends to see this birthday or date of birth, you can set it like that. In this video, we'll be telling you how to do that. For this, open the Facebook application. After that, above you can see 3 lines. Click on these 3 lines. When you click on that, here you can see your profile name. Click on this profile name, and here you can see personal details. Next to that, you can see a pencil-like button. That is the edit button. Click on that button. And when you click on that, here you can see date of birth. Next to that, you can see a pencil-like button. Click on that. And when you click on that, here you can see edit your birthday. Click on that. And when you click on that, you will reach a page like this. And here you can see who can see your birthday. Click on this. And here you can see change visibility on Facebook. Click on this option. When you click on that, here you can see your birthday and year separately. Sometimes it will be set to no one. Sometimes it will be set to public or friends. That is why sometimes others are not able to see it, or everyone is able to see it. If you want only your friends to see it, first click on this date, and after that you need to select friends. If it is public, select friends, or if it is only me, select friends. If it is only me, no one will be able to see it, or if it is public, everyone will be seeing it. Anyways, I am selecting friends. After that, click on this save button, and likewise, the year option is also there. Click on that, and select friends. After that, click on this save button. Now everything is saved. After that, go back and click on this done button. And when you click on that, everything will be saved. After that, only your friends can see your birthday or date of birth. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.